Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel Tradeables, and you are with CS Lakshmi Tota. And now let's see how market has performed today. And for that I'm taking Tradeables web application as a base because this application gives me data points which helps us to predict market movements. And also in this video we are going to see exactly how market has moved and respecting our values, and also we'll discuss resistance and support levels. Also we'll see what all the major counters have moved, the major indices like Nifty, Nifty 50 and IT bank sectors. And with that, let's get into the video. So going to the Nifty 50, Nifty is pretty ended with flat note at 24,610 with just minor loss of 8.95 points. So now let's quickly see the candlestick pattern formed today for Nifty 50. So although initially Nifty until 1:30, Nifty 50 has faced lot of pressure being bearish, but if you see during the last 1 hour of the trading session it has picked up the bullish momentum. So as we discussed in our previous videos also, whenever the market is crossing below 45 degrees, according to our GAN analysis, our major suspicion is like market will further move down. But here is a case like it took support and it again bounced back. If you see in the 15 minutes video, we can see the market, although it has fallen down, it took exact support at 24,532, which is minus 38.2 degrees of our Fibonacci analysis. So let's connect this movement with the data points that we are giving in our trader view. So if you see the Fibonacci retracement and extension analysis, what we were telling is like we see the daily, weekly and monthly time frames. If you see from the daily time frame, minus 38.2% is 24,532. So exactly where market has picked up the momentum and ended up being the bullish. So with that, our next prediction for Nifty 50 is like we are expecting Nifty 50 to be stable in next near term trading sessions. And also there is an update. Tomorrow Sanjay Malhotra is taking as new RBI governor office. So with that we also anticipating that he might focus on rate cuts like accommodative monetary policies, and also his major focus could be on maintaining and stabilizing the forex reserves and also the currency of India. So with all that we can expect market to be on some dovish sentiment. So let's see what all the counters have moved the Nifty 50 today. So if we see Nifty 50, so today Reliance and Bharti Airtel Axis Bank were on negative contributors, while Infosys, ICICI Bank, SBIN are on the positive contributors. So majorly today net like auto sector and infra sector is doing down, while IT is doing very good. So with that, let's go to Bank Nifty and let's quickly assess how's the performance of the Bank Nifty for the day. So Bank Nifty is ended up at 53,577 with appreciation of 169 points. So this is really great momentum. And let's quickly see from the candle view chart. So it is as again connecting the points, like it is traded above 45 degrees and it went up to 90 degrees. So it's ended up in the bullish trend. So also let's see from, and the same picture can also be in detail, we can see in the 15 minutes chart as well. Like majority, unless until the last half an hour of the trading session, market was into a range bound, it's doing in a sideways. But just in the last half an hour of the trading session, we have seen the market has crossed its 45 degrees potential. That means we can expect some bullish momentum in the banks. So let's quickly see what all the counters have moved the Bank Nifty today. So all the banks except Axis and HDFC are on the positive side, so contributing around 218 points positive. So ICICI, SBI and Kotak being the top. So now let's quickly see how IT is performing. So if we see IT is like booming today. So it has ended up at 45,199 with appreciation of 367 points, which is almost close to 1% higher. So analyzing from our data points perspective, like it has crossed multiple lines of resistance, and although it expected slight profit booking, but still managed to be on the higher note. So, and also today IT index has crossed its all-time high, so indicating IT can be further bullish. So now let's see what all the major counters have moved to this positive IT momentum. So Infosys, LTIM, HCL Tech being the top, and just TCS and TechM are looking from the negative perspective. So that's all for the day. And now let's quickly see the targets for Nifty 50, what we can expect for the near term. Or so according to OI, Nifty for the week we can expect around 24,700 to 800, in this range we can expect, while 24,300 is acting as a major support. So Nifty 50 month we can expect closely to 25,000. So tip of the day can be, we can watch LTIM stock, like as we have also seen our IT movers, like LTIM, it's being very strong these days. So let's quickly see from equities, LTIM. So LTI Mindtree, if we see short term and long term both are giving bullish plus signal, that means we can have a watch on this stock. And also according to the, we have given this best price value, best fair values. So these numbers also we can consider as the best data points for our analysis. So I hope you found the video helpful. So if you like the video, please like, also share your thoughts in our comment section, and also please consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you.